Presenting construction series from Monarchy Tale. Crafted from durable materials with vibrant yellow colours, these trucks are built to last and designed to capture kids' attention with their eye-catching appearance. Includes a bulldozer with a movable excavator arm, a roller with rolling parts, and a movable digging part. Features 3 movable yellow trucks, each adorned with cute characters for engaging and imaginative play. Teaches kids about engineering and construction through interactive play. A fantastic choice as gift for birthdays, this construction series delights kids with fun and educational play.